Hi guys, Charlie here and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the HAPPYSKINCO laser hair removal handset. I bought this from their website and it retails for $299 Australian. You can also get Afterpay on it, which is 4 payments of $70 if you use the coupon code SMOOTH, which receives $30 off your whole purchase. I bought this from their website and the store is located in New South Wales and it was delivered in 4 days. If you'd like to see how this laser device works, then keep on watching. Alright, so before we begin, you want to make sure that you shave hours prior to the IPL so that the light penetrates the hair follicle instead of just the hair shaft. If it's just penetrating the hair shaft, then it won't get deep enough to kill the whole root. So you want to make sure to shave so that the light hits the follicle first, thus killing the main cause of hair growth. Okay, so they recommend using it every week for 3 months before you start to see complete results. I will post updates on here or Instagram, so check that out in the future. I will show you if it did slow down my hair growth and made a difference. So keep an eye out for that in the future. I'll let you know how it all went. This is it here. That's the box. Alright, so it says it's suitable for all skin tones except the darkest. So you've got, yeah, really pale all the way up to... It goes pretty dark. But yeah, if you do want to check that, make sure you check the skin tone chart to make sure that you're able to use this. Okay, there it is there. Just check the chart to make sure that you fit into the category. You should be alright though. It does fit for most people, but here's the user guide. There it is there, and this is it here. That's the machine. It's about 15 to 20 centimeters long by about 10 centimeters. And it comes with the plug there, which you need to plug in while you're using it. So make sure that you find a power source when you're using it. Okay, there we go, that's the machine there, and this is the big cord that it comes with there. Okay, so this is where it goes in there. Alright, now I'm just going to switch it on now. Alright, so I've plugged it in, everything's ready. I've switched on the green button. That's to change the intensity levels. So for your first time, you want to make sure it's on the lower setting so that you can get used to it. And it will show here what the intensity is there. So when you use it, you want to make sure that you have it flat against your skin, otherwise it won't flash. Alright, so when you're ready to use it, you want to go ahead and touch the middle button. That one there, and it'll flash like a pink light to tell you that it has gone off, and you can feel it afterwards that it's quite hot, so that's it burning the hair follicle. Alright, I will zoom you in now. I'm going to start out with my underarm, hopefully you can see that. So you don't want to put your eyes too close to it. So you want to look away when you do it. But you do want to know where you're placing it each time. So I'll show you one now. That's one. That's another. Yeah, you just want to keep doing that. That's it there. After, I'll go off camera and do the other side. Alright, I'll go ahead and show you the legs now. I'm going to start from here. Alright. Same thing, close to the skin. Press it down, adjust the intensity if you want, build up to it. Alright, let's go. Because you want it flat against your skin, you're going to want to bend your knee so that it's all flat and keep going. So yeah, you want to make sure that it's flat. So to get over this bone here, I'm just sort of having it slightly bent and going. At the moment I've got it on three blue lights. Done. I'm gonna go and do the other side now. Alright, so I do want to say, first of all, when you're going over freckles, it's fine if they're light to medium, but don't go over the darker freckles. And also, if you're wondering what areas you can do basically anything from the lip down. If you go close to your eye area, it could be quite damaging, so don't try that. Just from the upper lip down. Alright, I'm going to show you my arms now. I'll show you about here. Again, don't look at the light. that's the arm complete. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Alright guys, like I said before, make sure you only do your upper lip down. So I won't be doing here like I usually shave there. Won't be doing there. Might be able to do this bit here. So I'm going to do there, all across here, and my upper lip. Alright, you want to make sure that you've got no makeup on. So that's done. If you're wondering how long the IPL device lasts, it guarantees 5 years of its lifetime. Yeah, you can do like your feet, your neck, whatever you need to do. You can do your chest, whatever. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it or found it helpful. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, have a great day, and make sure you treat everybody how you want to be treated.